Hello, my friends. I'm going to be doing a swipe today, but first I want to quickly show you a couple of oil paintings I've done. This one is a copy, or a study rather, of a master painting by a famous artist that lived a while back. I can't think of his name off the top of my head, but anyway, I'm taking online classes with Robert Mee, and I will link his workshops down below. There is a cost, of course, but he's a great teacher. I've learned so much just in a short period of time. So that's one. And we also did this one. And I like this one probably, well, I don't know. I like them both for different reasons. I did use water mixable oils. They're they are quite different than traditional oils in that they're easy to clean up. And so I've talked about having an introductory oil painting demo, and I think I'll use water mixable oils. That way, if you want to try it, they're not expensive and they're easy cleanup. If you like the oils and the way they work, you can invest in more traditional oils later on. So that is upcoming. But I do need to be making fluid art for a show I have in July coming up. And so I've got to get back to it. I don't have nearly as much inventory as I have in past years of new things. I have plenty of things that have been there before. But anyway, I'm going to do something today very similar to this one, but different colors. This was Artist Loft ready to pour paints, but I do extend them to get this look. If there was silicone in the white, and had I not diluted them, they wouldn't look anything like this. And this is the look I like when I do a swipe, so that's why I extend them. So, what did I just did something with my plastic. There it is. Okay, so the colors I have today are white. These are all, as I said, the Artist Loft Ready Mix paints. White, I've added 2 drops of silicone. Metallic purple, deep magenta, yellow deep, orange, and violet, light violet. Those are my colors. I'm going to apply them much the same way as I did that last one I just showed you. And I think in this order. Well, I'm going to apply them randomly, so it doesn't really matter. Whoop. Let's see. I think actually I'll apply the white up here, so I might stop. And I'll just fill up this section here. I hope these colors together don't do something weird on me. We'll find out. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to fill up the whole canvas. I put the white on top. So use up this paint. Did I mention that I put my recipe down below? I always do. But if anybody, I have some new people new to the channel, and I want to point out that I always provide the exact recipe and colors used down below. Just scroll all the way to the bottom of the description box. Okay, we're about there. That could probably be enough. Let's see, I move these over here. Glove up. Then I'm going to tilt around a little bit just to fill in the gaps and even up the paint on the surface there. So you can see that diluting them with the Floetrol and glue doesn't change the vividness of them, and they dry really nicely. I'm always happy with the way this mix dries. I've tried other ready to pour paints, and I don't like any of them as much as I like the Artist Loft. Okay, now well, it doesn't really matter now that I've covered the canvas, so I might as well just leave it like this, add my white paint, and swipe away. So, as I said, I've added 2 drops of silicone to 2 ounces of paint here. And here we go. I'm going to put a good wide swath of this across there. Maybe that was 1 ounce worth. Now, my plastic, I can't find my wide one, but this is just 12 inches wide. So it's probably gonna leave gaps on the side, but I always tilt it a little bit anyway, so it doesn't matter that I won't get coverage all the way across. But here we go. Make sure I get contact in the white paint all the way across. And slowly come on down. Holding my breath usually. Okay. Pretty little cells popping up. There's going to be a lot more. It will hopefully look a lot like that one I showed you at the beginning. When I'm done here. I love the shapes of the cells that I get with this mix. I don't have anything handy to show you what it looks like if you use them straight from the bottle and add silicone, but if you've tried it, you know what it looks like. I don't like the way that looks. So I'm happy with this. Maybe I'll hit it with a torch. I don't think I usually do. Maybe. It's been a while. I can't remember. Okay. You can see them popping up and growing. I love that warm yellow. That's a great color. So I'm going to tilt it back and forth, side to side, back and forth, side to side, to take care of the edges and pour off a good amount of that white, not all of it, but I don't want just that showing. So I think I can go ahead and do it now. I'll go side to side first. This will help the cells grow and I'll get even more movement in the painting. Take my time with it. I tend to rush, you know, you really have to, I mean, you want to be patient with your tilting. Sometimes I am. Oh, that's nice. I'm liking it. All right, now I'm gonna go down this end and tilt off some of that white. It's reminding me of a candy. Do you remember? I think it's like an old Christmas candy. It's jellied inside. Do you remember that? That's what that reminds me of. There where the white is. Okay, I think I might be done. Yeah, I like it. Even the sides are quite pretty. I'll just have to touch up a few bald spots. But yeah, it's good. Let me bring you in for a closer look. Let's see how it compares. It's a nice companion piece to this one. So it's similar. I've got this kind of a webbing look there. And I may have stretched this one a little more than I stretched this one because I don't have a lot of those smaller cells, but I like what I'm seeing here. And I think by applying the paint rather than just stripes, you really get some interesting movement in the piece without even having to tilt all that much. So let me bring you in. I love purple and orange together on a canvas. I think that's fun. I suppose I could hit it with a torch and bring up even more little tiny ones in there, but I don't know that it's necessary. I like that corner there, that purple and orange together. And there we go. I hope you like that, my friends. Thank you for watching. Give this a try if you would, and let me know how it goes. Thanks again, and see you next time.